This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Carriage Court. Solid deal on a spacious home in a quiet, well-maintained park. This 1999 Skyline Greenbriar home needs your custom touches and repairs to fit in West / the Immaculate neighborhood. Light and bright floor plan West / Cathedral ceilings in the living, dining and kitchen areas. 3 bedrooms plus den, appx 1,512 square feet, open kitchen West / large pantry, lots of counter space and appliances included. Laundry / mud room West / washer and dryer. There is an appx 8x12 storage shed and a carport plus additional parking space that is uncovered. An inspection is available, significant cleanup needs to be done, needs fresh paint, new flooring and cleanup as well. Carriage Court in a quiet 55 plus community West / a clubhouse, security gate and RV or boat parking for a fee. Cash only, please. For more information, review the details below or contact Carriage Court at 360-671-5000.